Right, Emma. So, email marketing for affiliates. I mean, it's something we talk about a lot, but I don't think people truly grasp just how fundamental it actually is. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, absolutely, James. I mean, it feels almost old school, right? Like with all the TikToks and Instagrams, you'd think email would be like on its way out. But honestly, it's still so powerful, isn't it? Like, why is it such a cornerstone for affiliates, though? Why can't we just, rely on social?
Well, the thing is, Emma, social media, it's like building your house on rented land, isn't it? You don't own the audience. Facebook, YouTube, whatever, they can change their algorithms, they can shut your account down without a moment's notice. With an email list, that's your asset. You own that direct line of communication to your audience. It's completely invaluable for long-term stability and building trust, which is really, really key in affiliate marketing. It's not just about, quick sales. It's about building a relationship.
That's such a good point. Rented land. I hadn't really thought of it that way, but it makes so much sense. So it's about having that control then over your connection with your audience. And I guess it means you're not like constantly chasing the next algorithm change, right?
Precisely. It's a direct, unmediated channel. You can tailor your messages, you can segment your audience, you can, well, just build a deeper rapport. It's a much more personal space than, say, a general social media post. And honestly, it converts better too. People in your inbox are generally more engaged.
Okay, so I'm sold on the why. It's crucial. But then where do you even start? Like, there are so many email service providers out there, aren't there? It feels a bit overwhelming trying to pick one. What should someone look for, especially as an affiliate?
Right, absolutely. It can be a minefield. For affiliates, I'd say the key things are ease of use, obviously, deliverability, you want your emails to actually land in the inbox, not spam, and integrations with other tools you might be using, like landing page builders. And of course, the pricing model is a big one. For beginners, I often recommend MailerLite or ConvertKit. MailerLite has a generous free plan up to a certain number of subscribers, which is excellent for getting started.
Oh, a free plan is always nice to hear. So, MailerLite for beginners. What about ConvertKit? I've heard that name come up a lot too. How does it compare? Like, what's its strong suit?
ConvertKit is fantastic for creators and affiliates, actually. It's a bit more robust in terms of automation and tagging, which becomes really powerful as your list grows and you want to personalize messages more. It's a bit pricier than MailerLite starting out, but it scales really, really well. Then you've got your Aweber, your ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact. They all have their pros and cons. ActiveCampaign, for instance, is incredibly powerful for advanced automations, but it can be a bit steep for a newbie. My advice would be to try one with a free tier or a free trial. Just get a feel for the interface, see what clicks.
Okay, that makes sense. Start simple, then scale up as needed. I guess the main thing is just to pick one and get started, rather than getting stuck in analysis paralysis, right?
Precisely, Emma. Just get started. Now, once you've picked your ESP, the next big hurdle is getting people to actually sign up for your list. And that, my friend, comes down to the lead magnet. What are you offering that's so compelling, so irresistible, that someone's willing to give you their email address?
Ah, the lead magnet. So it's not just sign up for my newsletter anymore, is it? It needs to be real value. What kind of things do you see really working these days? I feel like everyone's got a free PDF now.
You're spot on. Sign up for my newsletter is, it's a bit tired, isn't it? You need something specific, something that solves an immediate problem or provides a quick win. Think free guides, checklists, templates. The ultimate 5-step checklist for X or 3 proven templates to Y. Mini courses or exclusive video trainings also work really, really well. Or even a free trial of a tool you're an affiliate for, if you can arrange that. The key is that it has to be highly relevant to your niche and your audience's pain points. If you're promoting, say, kitchen gadgets, a free recipe ebook or a guide to maximizing your air fryer would be perfect.
Oh, I like that. So it's about solving a problem or giving them a tangible benefit right away, not just generic info. So if I'm promoting fitness products, I wouldn't just do top 10 workout tips. It'd be more like the 7-day beginner's guide to building muscle or something super specific.
Exactly. The more specific, the better. And it needs to feel like a no-brainer, low barrier entry. Don't ask for too much up front. Just that email. and make sure it delivers on its promise. That's crucial for building trust and future engagement.
So once you've got your brilliant lead magnet, Emma, the next step is how do you actually get people to see it and then, actually opt in? That's where your opting forms and landing pages come in. They're the gateway, aren't they?
Right, the actual mechanics of it. I've seen so many different kinds of forms, pop-ups, embedded ones that slide in. It's a lot. What actually works best for, getting those signups without being super annoying,
Yeah, it's a balance, isn't it? Annoying versus effective. For opt-in forms, I'd say variety is good. An embedded form on your blog sidebar or at the end of a relevant post is quite unobtrusive. Pop-ups, whilst sometimes a bit aggressive, can be incredibly effective, especially an exit intent pop-up that only appears when someone's about to leave your site. I also really like the two-step opt-in, where someone clicks a button first and then the form appears. It leverages commitment bias, makes them more likely to finish the process. The main thing is the call to action needs to be crystal clear. Get your free guide now, not just subscribe.
Oh, I totally get the two-step thing. I find myself doing that too. Once I've clicked, I'm already in. That's smart. And what about dedicated landing pages? Are those still super important, or can you just stick the form on your blog?
Dedicated landing pages are absolutely still super important, especially if you're driving paid traffic or running specific campaigns. A landing page has one job: to convert visitors into subscribers. No distractions, no navigation menus, just the compelling copy about your lead magnet and the opt-in form. Tools like Lead Pages or Unbounce are excellent for this, or even features within your ESP like ConvertKit's landing page builder. They optimize for conversion, you see. It's really about making the path to getting that email as smooth and compelling as possible.
Okay, so we've got the people on the list now, James. Woohoo. But that's just the beginning, right? What do you do with them next? Do you just start sending them all your affiliate offers right away? Oh, absolutely not, Emma. That's the fastest way to get marked as spam or have people unsubscribe. The very first thing after someone opts in is your welcome sequence. This is probably one of the most critical parts of your entire email strategy. It's your chance to really cement that relationship, build trust, and deliver on the promise of your lead magnet.
A welcome sequence. So it's not just one email? Like a series of emails then? What should be in it? Is it hey, here's your free thing, now buy this?
No, not at all. Think of it as a friendly introduction and a value bomb dropping series. The first email, obviously, delivers the lead magnet they signed up for. But then over the next, say, 3 to 5 emails, you're introducing yourself a bit more, sharing your story, sharing some of your best content, maybe a popular blog post or a helpful video. You're building rapport, showing them you're a real human and proving you can provide value beyond just that initial freebie. You want to set expectations for what they'll get from your emails. And yes, you can gently introduce a relevant affiliate offer, but it should be framed as a solution to a problem you've highlighted, not just a random sales pitch. It's about serving them first, you see.
Okay, so it's a trust-building phase then. Delivering value, showing your personality, and then, only then, introducing something that might help them even more, which could be an affiliate product. I love that. It feels so much more human and less pushy. So how long should this sequence typically be?
I'd say 3 to 5 emails spread over, say, a week to 10 days is a good starting point. You don't want to overwhelm them, but you do want to stay top of mind and nurture that connection. It's all about providing incredible value up front, Emma, really setting yourself apart.
So, Emma, we've got them on the list, we've welcomed them warmly. What's next for keeping them engaged and, actually converting those affiliate sales further down the line?
Yeah, because I'm guessing not everyone on your list is interested in the exact same thing, right? Or at the same stage in their journey. So how do you make sure you're sending the right stuff to the right people without it being a full-time job?
You've hit the nail on the head there. That's where segmentation and personalization become absolutely critical. Sending the same email to everyone on your list is, it's lazy and it's ineffective. If someone's signed up for a guide on healthy eating, they might not want an email about, say, advanced weightlifting techniques, right? You segment your list based on interests, how they signed up, what they've clicked on, or even what they've purchased in the past. Your ESP will have features for this, allowing you to tag subscribers or put them into different groups.
Oh, that makes so much sense. So, like, if I've got people interested in running shoes versus like yoga mats, I can send them different emails. And that's where personalization comes in too, I guess, like using their first name and stuff.
Exactly. Using their first name is just the very basic layer of personalization. True personalization comes from sending them content and offers that are highly relevant to their specific needs and interests. It's about showing them you understand them. It increases engagement rates, reduces unsubscribes, and ultimately leads to more affiliate conversions because you're actually solving their problems. Now, quickly, a word on compliance. Always make sure you're adhering to things like CAN spam in the US and GDPR in Europe. That means having an unsubscribe link, being clear about who you are, and not, just buying email lists. It's about building an ethical, clean list.
Right, so building that trust extends to being ethical and compliant too. It's all connected then, isn't it? Segmentation, personalization, and like following the rules. It sounds like a lot, but I can see how it would make a massive difference in the long run.